Are you one of the many individuals, families, or small business owners who feel a knot of anxiety tighten as tax season approaches? You're not alone. The thought of gathering all those documents can feel overwhelming, often leading to procrastination and unnecessary stress. Many people delay filing their taxes for one simple reason. They're not sure they have everything they need. This uncertainty can quickly escalate into significant stress, even when the situation is actually very manageable. We understand that feeling of dread. But what if we told you that preparing for taxes doesn't have to be a daunting task? In this video, we're going to walk through a simple, high-level document checklist for filing taxes, designed to be informative, reassuring, and incredibly practical. Our goal is to help you organize your documents, reduce your stress, and approach tax preparation with confidence. Tax returns are fundamentally built from information that already exists. Think of your documents not as obstacles, but as the essential pieces of a puzzle that tell your financial story for the year. They are crucial for accurate reporting. These documents are how your income, deductions, and credits are reported, verified, and matched with official records. They ensure consistency and fairness in the tax system. Understanding this fundamental role can truly change your perspective, transforming a perceived burden into a clear, organized process. For the vast majority of taxpayers, the foundation of their tax return revolves around income. These are the documents that summarize what you earned and often what taxes were already withheld. They are usually sent to you automatically by employers or financial institutions. These commonly include your wage and tax statement, Form W-2, from each employer you worked for. If you're a freelancer, independent contractor, or small business owner, you'll likely receive Form 1099 NEC for non-employee compensation. These forms are critical for reporting your earnings accurately. Additionally, statements showing interest or investment earnings are vital. Look for Form 1099 INT for interest income from banks and Form 1099 DIV for dividends from investments. If you sold stocks or other assets, you'll need Form 1099-B, which reports proceeds from broker and barter exchange transactions. These documents summarize what was already paid or earned during the year, making your reporting straightforward. Depending on your unique life situation, you may also receive documents related to various other financial activities. These can unlock valuable deductions or credits, so it's important to be aware of them. Not everyone will receive these, and that's perfectly normal. For education expenses, you might receive Form 1098-T tuition statement from colleges or universities. If you paid student loan interest, Form 1098-E student loan interest statement is essential. These can lead to significant educational credits or deductions for you or your family members. Health coverage documents are also important. Depending on your plan, you might receive Form 1095-A health insurance marketplace statement, 1095-B health coverage, or 1095-C employer-provided health insurance offer and coverage. These confirm you had minimum essential coverage, which is still relevant in some states. If you own a home, Form 1098 mortgage interest statement from your lender is crucial for deducting mortgage interest. For small business owners, beyond the 1099 NEC, you'll need meticulous records of all business income and expenses to complete Schedule C, profit or loss from business. This includes receipts, invoices, and bank statements. One common source of delay and frustration is waiting for documents that aren't actually required for your specific situation. This can happen when a form applied to you in a prior year, but not this one, or if someone assumes every possible tax form is needed. It's easy to get caught in this trap. For example, if you didn't pay student loan interest this year, you won't receive a 1098-E, and you don't need to worry about it. Similarly, if you didn't sell any investments, a 1099-B won't be relevant. Understanding what truly applies to your financial life saves immense time and significantly reduces stress. Focus on your situation, not every possible scenario. To truly minimize stress, consider adopting a proactive approach to document organization throughout the year. Instead of scrambling at tax time, create a dedicated system for your financial paperwork. This could be a physical folder, a digital folder on your computer, or a cloud-based storage solution. As soon as you receive an important financial document, whether it's a W-2, a bank statement, or a receipt for a business expense, file it immediately. This simple habit transforms tax preparation from a frantic search into a straightforward assembly process. For small business owners, this means diligently tracking all income and expenses as they occur, perhaps using accounting software or a detailed spreadsheet. It's a common scenario. You're ready to file, but a crucial document hasn't arrived. Don't panic. Missing documents are a routine part of the tax preparation process, and there are clear steps you can take. This is not an insurmountable obstacle. First, confirm whether the document should actually exist for you this year. Did you change jobs? Did you close an investment account? Next, check for electronic delivery options. Many institutions now provide forms online. If it's truly missing, contact the issuer directly, your employer, bank, or broker, to request a reissued copy. This is a routine request for them, and they can usually provide it quickly. Remember, the IRS also has resources. You can often access wage and income transcripts directly from the IRS website if you're unable to get a document from the original issuer. This is a backup plan, but it's good to know it's there. Preparing to file taxes isn't about achieving perfection or collecting every single piece of paper imaginable. It's about having the accurate information that genuinely reflects your financial situation for the year. It's about being informed and organized. Once you understand which documents apply specifically to you, and you've adopted a simple system for gathering them, the entire filing process becomes much simpler and far less intimidating. You'll move from dread to a sense of control and accomplishment. This practical approach empowers you to tackle tax season with confidence, knowing you have everything you need. If you enjoyed today's video and found these tips helpful for your tax preparation journey, please give us a like. Every like we receive inspires us to create more informative and helpful content for individuals, families, and small businesses like yours. Thank you once again for watching. We hope you have a blessed day and a stress-free tax season.